In this video, I'll show you the best method to set up an IOLTA trust account in Clio using a simple and practical workflow. After logging into your account, head to the Accounts section and select New Account to begin creating your trust account profile. Choosing the correct account type, usually trust or IOLTA, is important because these funds must remain separate from your firm's operating money for compliance reasons. Carefully enter details like account name, routing number, branch information, currency, and opening balance exactly as provided by your bank. While Clio makes setup straightforward, accuracy matters because mistakes in trust accounting can create reporting or reconciliation issues later. It's also a good idea to regularly review balances and follow your jurisdiction's legal accounting rules to stay compliant. Overall, Clio provides a structured way to manage client trust funds when configured properly. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter and stay organized.